A flexible ISA is a characteristic which can often be on a stocks and shares or cash ISA. This essentially gives an ISA a degree of flexibility. So each tax year in the UK, a UK individual above the age of 18 is allowed to invest £20,000 across all of their ISAs. Can be a combination of cash and stocks and shares ISAs. But with ISA flexibility, you have a little bit more benefits, and not all providers offer ISA flexibility. So I'll give you an example. If you have £20,000 in an ISA, which you've put in a previous tax year, and in the new tax year, you obviously have your new £20,000 allowance. Let's say you wanted to use £10,000 from that ISA for another opportunity outside of your ISA. Your new ISA allowance for this tax year would effectively be £30,000, because you'd be allowed to replenish that £10,000 you withdrew from your ISA, as well as the new £20,000 limit that you can put into your ISA this year, which is particularly useful for an active investor who may see an opportunity outside of their stocks and shares or cash ISA, invest elsewhere, and then they can replenish their amount they withdrew from their flexible ISA, as well as having their £20,000 limit to invest in their ISA. At IG, we offer two forms of flexible ISAs: a smart portfolio ISA, which I co-manage, which is a multi-asset investment portfolio, and a stocks and shares ISA, both of which are flexible at IG.